laundry. It's gonna be on a stream replay, huh? Laundry day. All right. Laundry. What's up, Cruz? Down here to the right, down here to the right. Let's do what, 20 minutes? Cold water, speed wash, cold, 20 minutes. And boom. Going back to work, Haley? I think that's what you call it, housewarming party. I think it's gonna be a housewarming party this Saturday. Housewarming party. Ooh, Uberman. Uber no good. Alright, laundry is done. Coffee time. Oh, no trolls today, huh? That is fucking amazing. No fucking trolls. Last night, Gay Chan bought me 400 views, 500 views. 500 views last night, huh? Come on, Gay Chan. Do better than that, bro.
Lừa đi thuốc coi.
Thuốc không? Ok.
Có.
Trong áo bên trái á, túi bên trái.
Ok. Còn phải. Phải bên gì?
Lắp. Hả?
Bên phải là gì?
Phải là súng. Súng với đạn. Feel like I can go build a rocket ship today, huh? Go build rocket ship, go to Mars. Good coffee. Some Florida crystals. Alright, it's gonna be on the stream replay, huh?